Calco with honors. Jandrich Gabriel T. Dumangas with honors. Ephraim Joseph J. Duterte with high honors. Rex Spencer G. Fernandez with high honors and with special awards in leadership and social sciences. Adrian B. Labadia with high honors. LG C. Lapon with high honors and special award in CSS. Sean Ashton G. Libarius with honors. Paul Angelo S. Manula with honors. Carlo J. R. Melenchon with honors. Lycee June A. Monroy with honors. Clarence John B. Umbrero with honors. Markley A. Ponce with honors and a special award in CSS. Dwayne Sebastian D. Riobal with honors. Jared Nathan Benedict G. Rupi with honors. Lay Anthony B. Servillon with honors. Laika May L. Bacos with honors and a special award in CSS. Jeriah George M. Burden with high honors and a special award in entrepreneurship. Maya Lynn C. Canonigo with honors. Hazel J. Daklan with honors. Ray Bernal L. Inanoria with honors. Gail Alexis R. Gabato with honors. Nina Lorene Gallardo with honors. JC May P. Gonzalez with honors and a special award in entrepreneurship. Zoe Audrey P. Harris with honors. Roslyn L. Tagadian with honors. Safira Isaiah L. Paladro with honors. Lovely Lanil C. Tan with honors. To my grades and hope, congratulations and more power.
Okay, before we proceed, a reminder, there will be no picture taking during